Got a homemade barbecue smoker trailer that I bought about maybe 5 years ago. I think I gave only $3.50 for it. It's got its own box in here to put the wood in, a firebox. It started getting real rusty. It's got a real nice grate on top, but it started getting rusty over the years. Now it's ruined. I put it on Facebook Marketplace to sell it. Some guy's coming to buy it for $500. I hope he really buys it. It shows pictures of the rust right on the pictures on the ad. It's got its own little hitch on it. It's a regular trailer. They put a horseshoe on there. It's not really that bad other than being rusty. I cooked so much stuff on there. I smoked chicken. I smoked fish. We smoked shark. Kibasi. I even smoked a pizza. I smoked ribs. I smoked sausage. I smoked New York strip steak. What else? I've smoked a lot of stuff on this. It always worked good. It always had this right down in the bottom. When I got it, it was just starting to rust there, but it didn't bother me. You couldn't build one of these for $500. They built that out of 2 propane tanks. That's a big propane tank and another one. Oh, you can cook on top too. That gets real hot on top. It's even got taillights on it. It's got 12-inch tires. I always liked this. I hate to see it go, but I'd never be able to fix that. Somebody who can weld can patch that up somehow. They'll do a patch on it. The guy's coming to buy it for $500.